So our last search tip is using the interlibrary loan. So this one's going to be a little bit trickier because you're not going to use one search. You're going to locate these materials using databases. So you're going to go to your preferred database, whatever it is that you're looking for. So in this case, I selected the Library and Information Science source. And then I looked up academic librarianship as an example. When you look at your search results, you're going to find this button where it says Find It. So you're going to click on that. That is going to lead you to where you can request this particular item. Find your item, you're going to scroll down to where it says Request. Request this through Interlibrary Loan or ILLiad. Click on that. That'll launch an additional window. Then redirect you to the King Library Interlibrary Loan Request form. And then here you're going to just make sure everything that you need is there. It's already pre-filled in for you. And then at the bottom, you're going to submit your request.